up in this last video of the year, we're grounded by heavy rain. And I explain how I overcame the problem of the very poor battery life on the GoPro Hero 4.
Well, we're in another situation whereby you're going strong. Well done. That one as packed up as per usual. Hasn't got the staying power.
Prior to that, and while the weather was a little bit better, Roy moved his Oster into a different hangar. Then it rained, and rained, and rained. For days it didn't seem to stop. I did get over to Nayland just before Christmas, only to find this. The main road through Nayland was flooded. And the River Stour overflow channel, which is usually just a trickle, was more like a mountain torrent.
I love the way that you get
to include a little bit of flying and to remind myself what it was like to fly in the summer in a shirt and shorts, I thought I'd show you what I did about trying to rectify that problem with the GoPro 4 battery.
Golf Sierra Mike, Oscar November, Southend Radar, afternoon, pass your message.
Mike Heavy, sorry. Golf Sierra Mike, Oscar November is a Cessna 152, Northfield. General handling between here and Morden. We are 1,700 feet, 1017 for basic service.
Golf Oscar November, I'm glad you got the name right eventually, Mark. Basic service, QNH 1017, squawk 4575.
4575, 1017, and how can I forget you, Ken? Oscar November.
Don't have to take that.
Approach. Good afternoon, Kev. Golf November India Charlie X-ray.
Golf November India Charlie X-ray, Southend Radar, afternoon. Nick, at least somebody gets my name right, pass your message.
Charlie November India X-ray, just approaching Whitstable from the south. We're currently 2,000 feet, so November received. We'd like joining instructions to Bali.
Golf Charlie X-ray Squawk 4575, basic service, QNH 1017.
South end, this is Golf Charlie Oscar Romeo Whiskey.
Golf Romeo Whiskey, pass your message.
PA28, we're beam Chelmsford at the moment, so we should go to safety, come on 135-475.
Golf Romeo Whiskey, Roger, Squawk 7000, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, thanks Romeo Whiskey.
Golf Echo Hotel formation approaching Colchester 3000 and request frequency change to safety com 135480.
Golf Echo Hotel formation, Roger, Squawk 7000, bye-bye.
7000, thanks for the service, Golf Echo Hotel. Are you here, John?
Yep.
Well, we're in another situation whereby you're going strong. Well done. That one as packed up, as per usual. Hasn't got the staying power.
Well, this is my GoPro Hero 4. It's the way you normally see it from that other camera. But if I turn it sideways on, you'll see that since I was having all that problems with it running out of battery, I have bought an extension battery, which is just a thin battery that sits behind and plugs into the back of the camera. Okay, but in order to do that, I had to modify this naked skeleton frame. I think it's called a naked frame. I had to file that all down. Now I was expecting to have to perhaps use a cable tie or something to hold it in place, but actually it is very secure, and I've been using it now for some time, and it's not a problem. And what you do, bringing in my multi USB charger and taking two of the leads, doesn't really matter which two, as it stands at the moment, the two white leads, one does the iPhone and one does the iPad. But what you do is, when it comes to charging it, it's fairly obvious really, but trying to do this with the camera is not easy. One charges like that, the other one sits in like that. You'll notice that there's a charging light on the front there, and if I turn it over, there's a charging light on the back, and if I turn it on, oh yes, it's upside down because that's the way I've got it filming. I don't know whether you can pick up on that. No, it basically just says it's charging. But the display, and if I stop the charging, it should show you. The display down the bottom here actually now splits that into two. Is that coming out through? Yes, you can just about see that that's in two. Now that has made quite a difference to my filming setup. I don't know whether I'm going to get a chance to use it on this video or not, but one of my Christmas presents was this, well, it says professional microphone, but I doubt if it's going to make that much difference to my voiceovers, but it will be quite interesting to set it all up and hear what people have to say. Well, we'll see what happens, because here it is, set up next to the computer, so I'll give it a try. Well, here we are at the end of another year, and I am rather pleased to say that I did manage to maintain my challenge of producing a weekly flying video right the way through this year as well. Although I have to say, this particular one was a little bit of a challenge, what with everything that was going on. But as a post-Christmas treat to everybody, this week's video is that much shorter. Please tick the like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't already done so. For those of you that have subscribed, thank you very much for your support and your encouragement.